Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing okay. If you have been keeping up with me on Instagram, then you know that I am sick. Yeah, and I had to go get a COVID test and I'm just like, I haven't gotten my results yet and I sound sick and I almost just like waited to do this YouTube video to like do the voiceover for it, but I was like, you know what, this is real life. And I'm sick, and that just is what it is. So I'm still gonna do the voiceover and post this tutorial for you guys. So today I'm doing a red and green look, you know, Christmas inspired. I just love doing green and I love doing red, and during Christmas you can do them together. And it's like, okay, and it's not weird. So I use my P. Louise base, and then I use my P. Louise palette. It's called Worldy. It is so pretty, you guys, so colorful, so fun. I am dancing a lot in this video because I was listening to Christmas music while I was doing this look, so please just know that there's a lot of dancing and me being dorky, okay? So first I went in with the darker kind of forest green and I put that in my crease and I just packed it on and made kind of a V shape. Then I went in with the like medium tone one and I packed that on and blended it into the darker green. And then I went in with this like lime greenish yellow shade and I used that as my transition shade basically. I like to start with the darkest color first, then go medium, then go light, and I pack down the darkest color, I pack down the medium one, I pack down the lightest, then I go back and I go over the colors again. So I go back over the dark green, blend it more into the medium green, go back over the medium green, blend it more into the light green, go back in with the light green, blend it out. Okay, so I'm taking my P. Louise base again and I'm just kind of cleaning up my crease. I didn't go too crazy with like a perfect sharp cut crease, but she's cleaned up. I felt bad because I'm using this palette again because I feel like I've used it in a lot of tutorials lately. It's the Waiting Room palette by Melt Cosmetics, the Beetlejuice one, and I had to try this shimmery red. It's called Lydia, and look at her, she's cute. I was really stoked to try this color. So I just put it all over my lid, and then I go back in with the dark green and kind of go through the crease a little bit, and I just kind of go back and forth blending everything together. You have to be careful blending red and green together because it gets really muddy and ugly, but she made it work, okay? I'm using my heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay. This is in Stonewall. It's just a red and like silver glitter liner, and I put that in my crease just to have a little bit of sparkle, you know. And then I'm using this Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice. It's Showtime matte gel liner, and I'm using that as my liner today. I stop where the green is at and I just start packing and blending the dark green on top of the liner and blending it into the eyeshadow. I did both eyes, so I'm going to move on to my complexion. I already went ahead and like prepped at my face. I did moisturizer, primer, all that good stuff. I'm using this Huda Beauty stick foundation. It's the Faux filter stick foundation. I use the shade Shortbread and I just pop it all over my face. This color is pretty perfect for me though, honestly. I'm obsessed with this color. I thought at first maybe it was going to be too yellow, but once I blended it out, she worked. So I went ahead and blended all that down my neck and all over. I also used my concealer, which I do the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Marshmallow. That's the shade I use. But yeah, I'm super bummed. I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram about my results for my test if you are interested. I'm super sad because I wanted to do some more Christmas looks. I had a couple of really big ones planned and I even bought costumes for them, and if I have, you know, COVID, I don't want to contaminate all my makeup, so we'll see how that goes. I'm a little nervous, y'all, but if I do have it, the symptoms are very mild and I just can't taste anything. I'm very sad because I love jalapenos and I love olives. Yeah, jalapenos and olives, and I can't taste them, so there's that for you. I went ahead and set my face and I also contoured. And then for blush, I'm using my favorite ColourPop Coast to Coast blush. I use it for pretty much every look. It's my favorite blush. It's just nice and neutral and not too crazy looking. Now I'm taking my white liner from ColourPop Cosmetics, popping that in my waterline. And then I'm just taking the dark green and kind of connecting the top part of my eyeshadow with the lower part, smoking it out, doing the dark green, then doing the medium green, then doing the light green, and just blending it all together, just smashing it and mushing it all together. You know, that's what you do when you blend shadow. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Snowflake Loose Highlighter, and I'm putting that right in the inner corner of my eye. And then I just took a brush with no product on it, and I kind of blended it up into the red, so it wasn't just like a dot. I don't know why, but I need like it to be blended, you know? I put it on my brow bone as well. And then to finish off my eye look, I used my Anastasia Matte Liquid Liner, and I just did my inner corner point, which I just have to do. I have to do it. I like the way it makes my eyes look, okay, guys? And then I put a little bit on the outer corner and then just smudged it out with a brush, just to have the black kind of blend in with the green a little better. I'm so sorry, you guys. I sound like crap. Oh my god. I also highlighted my cheekbones, my forehead. Oh yes, honey. And I was like, wow, this highlight is blinding. You ever put highlight on and you're just like, whoa, wasn't expecting it to be so in your face. I put highlight on my nose, my cupid's bow, and then I went and did my hair and put my jewelry on and made myself look a little bit more presentable. I'm using this Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. It's double-sided. I'm going to be using the volume side, and I'm just popping that on before we put on falsies. And then I'm using these false lashes from Tachi Lashes. I believe these are the double up ones. I do want to say that that's what they are. But yeah, I just popped them on. They're like dramatic, but not like, oh my god, dramatic, you know? They're dramatic. What am I saying? And then I just put a little bit more mascara just to blend my natural lashes and the falsies together. And I also put on lip liner already. It's just the Urban Decay Conspiracy lip liner. It's a dark brown, and I'm using my Necromancy Cosmetic lipstick. This is in Healing Stone, and I popped that right on top. Well, that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm so sorry that I sound sick, and I'm so sorry that I can't get more content out for you, but I got to take care of myself. And yeah, if you want to know what my test result is, then just stay on my Instagram. I'll keep it posted on there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.